Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to get subtitles on Netflix. To enable or get subtitles on Netflix, first of all, open up your Netflix app or simply open up a web browser and type in netflix.com in the URL box to end up in the official site for Netflix. Also, make sure that you log into your Netflix account by entering your username and your password. Right after you are signed into your account, go ahead and start playing a show or a movie. After the show or movie starts playing, from your playhead, go ahead and click on the speech bubble icon at the bottom right, which will open up the audio and subtitle section. Go to subtitle and choose the language that you want for your subtitle to appear. Select the language you want the subtitle to be in, and if you don't see your desired language, it may not be available for the specific content. Choose any one subtitle option and you will be able to see you have successfully enabled or got subtitle for the particular selected content. Following these steps, you should be able to easily enable subtitles on Netflix and enjoy your favorite shows with added accessibility. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.